Yeah, good evening. In the last video, we have seen about the string parts, right? The string related concepts we have seen in detail. So we discussed very clearly introduction to the strings in Java, how we are going to represent the strings and what is mean by mutability nature and what is mean by immutability nature. So what is mean by mutable and immutable objects in Java. Next and after that, so heap and SCP memory areas also we have seen very clearly. Now we need to explore some predefined classes which are available in Java, especially to perform some basic operations on strings. So in that, the first package what we have, first class what we have here is java.lang.string. Okay, what is the first one? Java.lang.string. So you know very well in these we are going to have some constructors and methods because it is a predefined class, right? Definitely in every class there are some types of constructors will be there which are used to construct that particular objects, whether it may be student or employee or anything. And there will be some methods to operate on that particular objects. Maybe if it is a student, so how you can able to perform on student related activities. So how you can able to perform with the employee related things. Like we have various constructors and methods will be there. So here just we need to talk about some basic constructors and methods. So here we have almost 4 to 5 constructors are there. The first one is nothing but a string. What is the purpose of this? It is used to create. Okay, otherwise I will write the description here. So what is the purpose of this one? It is used to create. It is used to create an empty string object. An empty string object it will create. If you want, let me take an example. I am taking a Java program here. Suppose consider I need to take a string s is equal to new string I am taking. So it is going to create an empty string or not? Yes, if you want, you can print yes. We are going to get empty output. Nothing will be there on that screen, sir. Okay, if you want, you can see. So just I compiled the program and I am trying to run the program. Okay, so if you run the program, you can see the output is nothing but empty output we got, empty thing. Okay, so now I want to check. So yes dot there is one special function is there with name uh, length. Maybe we will talk about this within a few minutes. Length method is applicable on the string object, which will return the number of elements, the number of characters present in that string. Now you can see how many characters are there in yes, empty, right? That's why it is going to return 0. Similarly, we have one more method is there called easy empty. You know very well, every time in not only in string, in Java, whenever you are taking a method, first character in that method, first character is always small letters. And if it is having more than one word, the next word starting letter is always caps. So is this is a empty string? If it is empty string, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now, since it is a empty string, it is going to return. Let me cross check really is it happening or not. You can see we are getting 0 and then 2. This is nothing but the first constructor what we have to create an empty string. Okay, to create an empty string, this is nothing but the first constructor what we have. So I need to go with the second constructor. What is the second constructor? Within bracket, if you want, you can provide string literal. String literal in the sense constant. What is the purpose of this one? It is used to create. It is used to create a string object. It is used to create a string object with a given. Okay, it is used to create a string object with a given string literal value. Okay, it is used to create a string object with given literal. Now let us see how you are going to take. Very simple, within bracket, within double quotations, because you know, right, in Java, how to create, how to represent the strings, we have to put within double quotations. Suppose consider I'm going to give, yeah, I'm going to give something like, so I'm taking Vishal, like this I'm taking. Now what will happen? It is going to create a string with this particular object, and I'm trying to print what output we will get. Like this we are getting, what is the length of this string? So you can see there are 6 characters are there. Okay, sir, is it empty string? No, right? Immediately the output what we are getting is nothing but a false, false. Now let us cross check, really is it happening or not? Yes, you can see this is the content and these are the number of characters, and this is nothing but it is not empty. Like that we have. Okay. So I think you people got very clear clarity about the creation of string objects in these two ways. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, please. Since we create a new string instance, why don't we get null? If you take reference, we will get null. Suppose if you are taking like this, then we will get null. Then we will get null. Okay. But in this case, we are going to get error message because it is local. It is local, right? That's why we are going to get error. I think so. Variable yes not have been initialized. If you want, you can see from here. Suppose if I am taking string yes, string yes, let us be, okay, no problem. Now I am taking, oh, not it is global, it is class level. So test t is equal to, so I am taking new test, I am creating an object. By using that object I am printing. Now what output we will get, since s is a string object, the default value is nothing but null, we will get null. Clear? Okay, see, whenever you are using a new keyword, a separate memory is allocated. If you are not providing any content, it will take empty. Okay, right, sir. So what is the next constructor that we have? Okay, what is the next constructor we have? Listen carefully. So string within bracket, if you want, you can take character with empty brackets. What is the meaning of this? An array, right? So it creates a new string object. It creates a new string object with given, okay, it creates a new string object with given characters, with given characters, with given characters. Let me take one example. Sir, I have one character array is there, like a character ch is equal to, one second, please wait. Sir, one second, please wait. Right. So let me take one character array. So I'm taking that character array as a WEL COME. Like we have individual characters are there. Okay. Like this, we have individual characters are there. Now I'm creating a new string object. I'm creating a new string object with a given character array. Sir, now if you print a string, what will happen? This string class constructor is going to collect all these characters and it will frame a string. Okay. Let us execute this. You can see we are getting the output as welcome. This is nothing but how you can able to. Sir, okay, fine, it is working. Then we have another constructor is also there. Like, so it will take a character array, integer start index. It is going to take a start index and integer, it will take end index also. Okay, it is going to take start index and it will take end index also. What it is going to do? So it extract the characters, so from start index, to, okay, end index, minus 1 from a character array. It will extract the characters from starting index to ending index minus 1. Let us take one example. So I will take this example. So for your understanding purpose, I am taking the locations like it is located in 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location, and sixth location. I want to frame the first string. So we will get the total string like welcome. Now I want to construct another string s2 from ch. I need this COME alone. Then what we have to do? You need to provide the starting character. Sorry, sir. Here it is not ending index. It is nothing but number of characters. It will extract the characters from starting index to number of characters. Okay. So number of characters. Okay. Now let us see here. Now I want to take starting from 3. How many characters is my requirement? 4 characters. That's all. Now what output we are expecting? Welcome. Sir, I want to only CO. Then what we have to do? String S3 is equal to new string of starting location is 3 only, but you have to provide 2 characters. Okay. Now if you print S3, okay, so what output we will get? CO. Let me run this code. So first string is nothing but a welcome, second string is nothing but a COME, and the third string is nothing but a CO. Like this we have. This is nothing but how you can able to extract the characters. Okay. So maybe some people may have a doubt. Sir, here characters are fixed, but what happens if you move beyond the index? Sir, what will happen? Immediately we are going to get a runtime error saying some array index out of bound exception, something like that. Okay. So even we have string character is there, right? With the same thing, we have another thing is also there. If you want, you can take from byte array also. It creates a new string object with a given byte array. Sir, in this byte array, we have integers. Then what will happen? Corresponding ASCII values will be considered. Let me take one example for that purpose also. So consider I have one byte array B is there with the values something like 97, okay, 98, 99, okay, next and after that 65, so 66, 67, 68, like this I have. So this is nothing but 0th location, first location, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth. Now I want to construct a new string object with the help of a B. If you print B, what output we are getting? Sir, 97. What is its ASCII value? Small a. 98. What is its ASCII value? Small b. 99. What is its ASCII value? Small c. 65 capital A. 66 capital B. 67 capital C. 68 capital D. Like this corresponding characters it will consider and it is going to create the string object. Okay. So these are nothing but various string class constructors that we have. Still we have two more constructors are there. So let me finish our doubts clarifications, then I will go with the next one. Can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people up to this? Everyone please respond, is this concept is clear? Okay, right. Now the next one. So string, we have another constructor is there with the name string buffer. So I told in the beginning itself, there are four types of string objects are there. One is nothing but a string, another one is nothing but a string buffer, another one is nothing but a string builder, next one is string tokenizer, like that we have. So definitely there should be a communication between these, right? So based on that, so string buffer. Suppose if you have a string buffer object, so to convert that string buffer into string, we have to use this constructor. So it is used to convert. It is used to convert our string buffer object, our string buffer object into string object. Okay, that is nothing but main purpose of this one. Okay, now I will take one example. Of course there won't be any new concept here. Suppose consider I have string buffer sb is equal to new string buffer of, since it is also a string, just I am taking something like abc, something like this I am taking. Okay, like this we have string buffer. Sir, now string s is equal to, I want to const. If you print a string, we will get ABC. Even if you print SB also, you are going to get ABC. That means what? So we have two string objects are there. One is having ABC as the content. Another one is also having ABC as the content. S is pointing to this one and SB is pointing to this one. Like this we have. So, sir, both are same. Then why two objects? Here, it won't allow modifications because it is immutable object. Whereas this one is what? Mutable object. That is the difference. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay. Now, if you want, let me run this code. You people are going to get the same answer for both. So this is nothing but how you can able to create a new string buffer object. Now I am taking string. So I want to take a string builder like this. So what it is going to do? So it is used to convert. It is used to convert our string buffer, sorry, string builder object. It is used to convert our string builder object into string object. Okay, it is used to convert our string builder object into string object, like this we have. Okay, so here I am taking, so string builder. Okay, string builder sb is equal to, I am taking new string builder of abc. So string s is equal to new string of abcd I will take. So what output we will get? abcd abc. Sir, we know output also same. But what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? We will talk about that later. Okay, we will talk about that later. So in our upcoming classes, we are going to discuss what is the difference between string and string buffer. Of course, both are same, sir. Only one small difference is there. Anyway, we will talk about that in detail. So these are nothing but various constructors what we have in our string class. Can you please confirm all these constructors are clear for you people? Please confirm everyone. Is it clear for everyone? Right. So the next one, what we have here is, and we have some special methods also there. So the first method is nothing but integer length. I already covered this method, right? What it is going to do? It returns number of characters. It return number of characters. So present in the given string object, present in the given string object, like this we have. So string s is equal to, yes, including space character, correct. So now consider if I have a string called Prakash. Okay, otherwise I will take Prakash Babu. Now what is the string? String is nothing but Prakash Babu. Sir, how many characters are there if you count? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 characters are there including spaces. And now let us run the program. You 1 minute, 1 minute. Something here we are taking. Yes, dot length function. Sorry, sir. Now what output we are going to get? You can able to see here Prakash Babu, and the output is nothing but 12 because we have 12 characters are there here. Okay, 12 characters are there here. Like this I am getting. Similarly, so we have another function is there called isEmpty. This one also already we discussed. What is the purpose of this? It returns true. It returns true. So if the given string, if the given string is empty, returns true. If the given string is empty, so else what will happen? Else we are getting false. Now let's take an example. Suppose if you have ABC, this is also a string object, right? So now I am asking, is it empty? Sir, is it empty? No, we are getting false. Is it empty? Yes, it is not empty, right? 1 second. Right. So is it empty? No, it is not empty. We will get false. So is it empty? Yes, it is empty. We will get it. Like that we are getting. Okay, this is nothing but how isEmpty method is going to work. So now Boolean, one more method is there with name starts with W capital. You have to provide another string here. Okay, so what this Boolean starts with method is going to do? It returns true. It returns true if the given string starts with another string, else it is going to return false. Okay, it will return true if the given string starts with another string, otherwise it will return false. Suppose consider my string is, so Java is very easy. Like this I have taken a string. Now I want to check really, is it starts with Python? No, it is not starting with Python, hence we will get false. Suppose if I am taking Java, what output we are getting? We will get true because it is starting with Java, right? Hence the output will become like this. We have false, and then this is nothing but what we have here. Okay, now Boolean if starts with is there, definitely ends with also will be there. So what it is going to do? You have to pass a string, and it returns true. It returns true if the given string, if the given string ends with another string. So else it is going to return false. Let us cross check how it is going to work. Sir, same thing I am going to take ends with. So here also same thing I am taking ends with Python. So ends with, so easy. Is it going to ends with easy? Yes, it is ending with easy. We have to return. Sir, ends with, is it ends with difficult? No, so it is not going to ends with difficult. We are getting false. Now let us compile the code and let us run. We are getting true and then false. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, so I think you got very clear clarity about these two things. Can you please confirm Do you have any doubts up to these functions, whatever I covered? Do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Right. Now, so equals of, I'm giving string. Sir, what it is going to do? It returns true. It returns true if the given string is equal. Okay, the given string content is equal with another string. Okay, then it is going to return true. Sir, else false. And here it consider the case while comparing it is going to do the case also very very important. Now, so what I'm going to take, so system dot out dot println of, so I'm taking so something like Java programming. So otherwise let me take only Java. So Java, so is it equals with, so Python, is it equals with Python? No, we will get false. So is it equals with ABCD? So some people may feel how many characters are there, like that it is going to compare. No. So now, sir, here Java is equal with Java? No, it is not equal, because even though it is in uppercase, it is not equal. So Java with a small Java, is it going to return? Like this we have. So let us consider what will happen here. So I want to execute this code, and you can see we are getting false, 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 and the last one is true. Okay. Now, same example I'm taking equals ignore case. Same example I'm taking by taking equals ignore case. It returns true if the given string is equal with another string, else false. So, considering the case or ignoring the case. So, it ignores case. So, while comparing, it ignores case while case. Okay, 1 second, sir. Please wait. Yeah, right. So Boolean ignore case, what it is going to do? So it is going to ignore the case and it will do comparison. It will ignore the case and it is going to do the comparison. Now see what will happen. Same program. So especially in this case, I want to check equals ignore case. If you take, I am expecting the output as a true, right? Let me cross check. We are getting true. This is nothing but the output what we are getting. Okay, so hope it is very clear for now. So we have another concept is there, like a character array. So two char array method is there. What this two char array is going to do? This two char array method is going to return, so a character array. Okay, it is going to return a character array. It returns, okay, it returns character array. Okay, so on the given string object, on the given string object, that means if you give a string object, it will return a character array. Sir, I want to cross check. For example, consider string s is equal to, I have abcd is there. Like this, I have a string is there. Now what is my requirement here is, okay, I need to convert every character. Okay, I need to convert every character into, so I need to convert every character into, the given string into character array. So how you can able to do this? Let us see how you can able to work with that. I am taking character array ch is equal to yes dot. What is the method? To char array is the method. Okay, so if you print string, okay, we will get the original string like a b c d. Sir, I want character array, because we have already seen arrays dot to string method is there, which will take an array as a input and it will convert in this square brackets format, where I am expecting a b c d something like this. Let me check really whether we are getting this output or not. So you can able to see individual characters we got or not. Yes, like this we have initially. So we have taken a group of characters and we constructed a string object. Now reverse operation, we have taken a string object and we divided into character array. On the same way, we have byte array also is there. So two, not two, so get bytes we have, so which is going to return, okay, which is going to return byte array. So it returns, so byte array, it returns a byte array on the given string object. Okay, let me take this example. Let us take this example and see what will happen. I am taking byte, so b is equal to yes dot, what we have to take here, get bytes, get bytes. Like this we have, if you print yes, we will get like this. And I want to convert this into bytes. What output we are getting here? We will get 97 and 98 and then 99, and here we are getting 100. Like this we have. So let us cross check how it will be. You can able to see we are getting like this. Okay, this is nothing but the concept what we have about get bytes. Okay, sir, can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts up to these functions? Do you have any doubts? Please confirm everyone. Right, next one, character. So char at the function we have integer. If you provide any index, it will return character at that particular index. Okay, it returns character located at the given index. So else what will happen? Array index out of bound exception we will get. Array index out of bound exception we will get. Suppose consider I have a string is there like abcd. If you print the string, we will get abcd. So if you take yes dot char at of 0. In 0th location, which character is there? A. So next B, next C, next D. Like this, we can take the characters individually. Like this we have. If you want, let us run. Like this we have. Now, sir, similarly, if you are giving index value, it is returning character. If I give character, will it return index value? Yes. Integer index of is there. Just we have to provide the character. What it is going to do? It returns. It returns. So character. It returns index value. Index value of the given character. Suppose consider I have so ABC, again AB, again A, like this we have. So what about the locations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If you print yes, we are getting. So what output we will get? ABC, ABA, something like this we are getting. Now my requirement is I want to get, so yes dot, okay, yes dot, I want index of, I want index of A. Sir, where this particular A is available? So in 0th location or not? Yes, we are getting at 0th location. Now, sir, is it possible to get the next location? No, you can't. So A is available in multiple locations. I want to get. No, it is not possible. Suppose if you have D, then what output we are getting? -1. So like this we have. Similarly, we have one more function is there, last index of. Last index of is also there. So it returns last index value of the given character. So suppose consider here, if I am taking last index of, okay. So here also if I am taking, so what is the last index here? 5th, right? What is the last index here? 4, right? Here anyway we will get -1. So is it possible to get a second occurrence like that? No, you have to write manual code for that. Okay, like this we have. Now, so string substring. So just you need to provide integer index value. What it is going to do? It returns, okay, it returns complete string. It returns so complete string starting from the given index, starting from the given index to till end, like that we will have. Now let us see what will happen. Suppose consider I have, so Java is a very easy programming. Like this I have, just I will try to write indexes. So 0th location 1 2 3 4, it is located in 5th location, and 6th 7th 8th location, 9th 10th 11th 12th 13th location, 14th 15th 16th 17th 18th location, 19 20 21 22 23rd location. Like this we have. If you print yes, what will happen? This entire string we are going to get. So now I want a substring. I want a substring. So I am taking yes dot substring. See, this is the very special method what we have. So some people are going to feel substring means sub is the separate word and string is the separate word. That's why this yes should begin with a capital letter. Yes, of course, this is applicable for everything, but not for this particular substring method. Okay. Now, sir, what we are going to get? Suppose if you take 5 here, it will return substring from is. Suppose if I am taking 13, so what will happen? From this very, it is going to return. Like this we have. Suppose if I am giving 23, so it is going to return only programming. Like this we have. Let us cross check how it is going to work. Have you observed? Is it coming or not? Yes. This is nothing but what is the first version of this. Sir, similar to this, we have one more version is there, substring, integer index, integer end index also we can give. Okay, starting index and then ending index. What it will do, it returns the complete string starting from the given index to ending index, ending index minus 1. Okay, let us take the same example. Sir, in this I want to extract only is, then what we have to do? So if you want to give is, so fifth location, sixth location, you have to provide 7. That means what? Starting from sixth location to 7 minus 1. Suppose here I want to get very easy alone. Okay, otherwise I want to get two varies, rest of the things is not required now. So 8 comma, where we have to provide 18 minus 1, that is 17. 17 minus 1 means it will stop at here, so that we have to provide 17. Now here I want to provide easy programming. What we have to do here, starting location is 18. What will be the ending location? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. We have to provide 34. Like this we have. This is the way how you can work with substring. Can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts, friends? Everyone, please respond. Start is equal to start is equal to 10, end is equal to 2. Maybe we are getting exception. Okay, suppose if I am giving 18 and here if I am giving 2, what will happen? You may get runtime error. Okay, what error we are getting? You can able to see string index out of bounds exception. Clear? It works with negative values. No, no, no. Negative values are not allowed here. It is not Python. Okay. Right. So next one, we have another function is there with the name concat, which is going to take a string and it performs concatenation operation. So it is used to concatenate. Concatenate with another string. Okay, so we can also use plus operator for this purpose. Now let us see what will happen. So consider I have two strings are there. Okay, so like string s1 is equal to we have wel, and string s2 is equal to we have come is there. So if you print s1, we will get a wel, right? S1 plus S2 if you take, we will get welcome. Even if you take S1 dot concat of S2 also, we are getting welcome only. But after this, if you print S1 and S2, the original content only will be there. What is the reason? Because our string is immutable object. Like this we have. Now, so string replace method is there, which we have old character and then new character. So what it is going to do? It replaces old character with given new character. It replaces old character with given new character. Like this we have. Suppose string s is equal to, we have new string of, so abc, so ab again a. Like this I have one string. Now, if you print SM, we are getting ABC, ABA, something like that. So S dot replace of A, comma, if you take B, otherwise if you take X, what will happen? So every a is replaced with x. Okay, like that we have, like this we have. This is nothing but how you can able to work with replace method. Now, so string, so two uppercase method is there. What is the purpose of two uppercase method? It converts the given string. It converts the given string into uppercase. Let me take one example. Here I have a string is there. Okay, something like I'm printing Java Java something like this. Dot to uppercase. What will happen? It is going to convert it into uppercase. Like we will get Java. Suppose if you have already in uppercase also, no problem. Same we will get. Suppose if you have mixed mode also, we will get. Suppose if you have like this also, it will convert it into uppercase, like that we have. Now next one, so string to lowercase method is there. So what it is going to do? So it converts so the given string into lowercase. It converts the given string into lowercase. Now see what will happen. Suppose here in the place of upper, if you take lower, we are getting lowercase. If it is already in lowercase, it will return lowercase only. So if it is in any other case other than this, happily it will convert it into lowercase. Now let us see. Perfectly we are getting. This is the way how we can convert cases. Okay. Clear up to this? Please confirm everyone. Is it clear? Right. Next one. So string array, we have another method is there with name split. Split. So where we have to provide some delimiter, where we have to provide some delimiter. What it is going to do? It divides. It divides the given string. It divides the given string into substrings. Into some string array. So based on given delimiter, based on the given delimiter, it is going to convert it into substrings, sir. For this I will provide two examples. Listen carefully. Suppose consider I have string s is equal to something like Java is very easy, something like this I have. Now I am creating string array s is equal to s dot so split of space. Now what will happen? If you print yes, we will get Java is very easy. So I want to convert arrays dot to string of I am taking yes yes, because it is going to return a array in the form of square brackets. What will be the first element? Java, right? What will be the second element? Is. What will be the third one? Very. And the fourth one is it. Like this it is going to split. Okay. Now, so not only strings, if you have anything, you can split. For example, consider today's date is there. Okay, today's date is there. So today's date is nothing but 13 or 12. Yeah, today is 13. So 13 hyphen, so 1 hyphen 2023, like that I have. So based on hyphen, I want to divide 13 1 2023, like this. Okay, so I hope you people got very clear clarity about all the methods which we are using. Okay, which we are using for string, sir. Okay, so with this string library, java.lang.string library got completed. Any doubts, friends? Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Okay. Right, sir. So just we will take some 5 minutes break. So then we will go with the next topics. That is nothing but Java dot lang dot. So string buffer. It's a constructors and methods. Okay. So don't expect those many methods are there in string buffer. In string buffer, hardly some 7 methods will be there. That's all. Okay. So just we will take a 5 minutes break. Okay, 5 minutes break and we will continue. So today the class will be there up to 9:30 or 9:45 like that. Okay, right. I will be on mute and I am away from the system for 5 minutes, sir. Yeah, let's continue. So can you please confirm, am I audible, sir? Right, sir. Right. Now, so we need to talk about java.lang.string buffer constructors and methods. Okay. Sir, very simple. What is mean by string buffer? So if the content is fixed, if the content is fixed, okay, so not changing frequently, not changing frequently. So then we should go for strings. Okay. So if the content is not fixed and keep on changing. Okay. So then we should go for string buffer. Okay. What is that concept? String buffer. This is nothing but what we have. Means what? So I can say my string objects are immutable. So you can't do any modifications. Whereas a string buffer is mutable, happily you can able to do modifications. Now, sir, just I want to go with some constructors first. Okay. The first constructor, of course, we have so many points are there in string buffer. So anyway, while covering the differences, I will explain. Okay. Now, so the first constructor is a string buffer. It creates a new string buffer object. It creates a new string buffer object with a default capacity as 16. Sir, what is this default capacity? See, there are some limitations will be there. Suppose if you ask, sir, today out of 24 hours, so maximum how many hours you can spend without sleeping? Sir, maximum I can spend 20 hours. 4 hours sleep is required. So rest of the time without sleep, I can do some work, or I can go to some market or any roaming. So walking with friends, so chit chatting, okay, watching the mobiles, movies, etc., etc., etc. So except 4 hours, remaining 20 hours I can engage, but practically sometimes may not be possible. Okay. So what is the maximum capacity? Means what? What is the maximum time? So maybe you come across with these kind of questions also. So what is your maximum capacity to drink? Okay, or what is your maximum capacity to eat? Sir, at a time I can eat one complete full meals. Okay, or one complete biryani. Okay, like that you may feel, but during execution, it happens or not, we are not required. Okay. So we thought that initially, sir, even you have faced this in our I mean, data structures and algorithms batch very beginning. Sir, my meeting capacity is nothing but 100 members. Okay. So beyond that, my class never in the from beginning onwards. Okay. Sir, maximum 80, sometimes 40, sometimes 10, sometimes even 5 also, sometimes 15. Like that, it is keep on varying. So keeping on that context, so we have purchased some Zoom links and they have given for me. So for complete my classes. But what happened when we have announced data structures and algorithms batch? Huge strength, around 140 members attended on that session. So my Zoom link is not in a position to respond. Immediately we changed that link to the next day. Okay. So keeping that in mind, we have announced another batch. At the time, only 70 members got registered. Have you observed? Capacity means max how much values it can store. So same way in the string buffer. So how many characters you can accommodate? Max 16. Sir, if you are inserting 17th character, will it raise an error? No. Automatic size increasing will be there. Automatic capacity growability is there. So on what basis it will grow, I will explain. Okay. Now, so first let me take one example for this. Let me take one example for this. I'm creating a new string buffer SB is equal to, so new string buffer of like this I'm taking. Now I want to print SB string buffer I want to print. The content is empty, right? The content is empty. And SB dot length. If you ask length, how many characters are there? 0 characters are there. So if you ask capacity, what is the capacity? Maximum capacity is nothing but 16. Maximum capacity is what, sir? 16. You can able to accommodate up to 16 characters. Like this we have. Okay. Next, second one. So string buffer, if you want, you can provide your initial string also. Sir, I have a string is there. Can you please create a string buffer with the given string? So it creates a new string buffer object. Okay, new string buffer object with a given string with a given string. Okay, so under capacity is equal to, what is the capacity? Length of the string plus a 16. This is the capacity. Now let us take the same example. In this example, I want to create a string buffer with ABC. So string buffer content is ABC. How many characters are there? 3 characters. But what will be the capacity? Length is 3 plus default capacity they are providing 16. Now the total capacity will become 19. If you want, let us cross check. We are getting ABC 3 and then 19 is nothing but the default, I mean 19 is nothing but the capacity what. Sir, can I give my own capacity? Yes. String buffer, integer. So you can provide capacity whatever you require. So what it is going to do? It creates, it creates a new string buffer object. It creates a new string buffer object with a, so given capacity, with a given capacity. If you want, you can add the strings later on that, because modifications it is allowing, right? That's why. So I want to create a string buffer with 50 capacity. String buffer is empty, length is 0. What about the capacity? So capacity will become 50. Now let me cross check whether we are getting the same content. Yes. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, sir, now I think you people got very clear clarity about the construction of string buffer objects. Please confirm any doubts. Yeah, Vishal, I will take one example for that. Please wait. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm. Right. Vishal, what is your question? So what is the point of capacity if it is growable? It's keep on increasing. There is no limit. I will show how it is going to increase. Okay. Now see here. So I have a string buffer is there like this. SB length I am printing 0. What is the default capacity? 16. You know very well. Now I am doing some modifications, sir. Okay. So SB dot, there is one special function is there with name append. So I am appending A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. Up to this, I have appended. How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sir, came exactly 16 characters are there. Capacity is also 16. Perfect. Now, I want to perform one more append operation. One more append operation, SB dot append of just one character. Sir, is it possible or not? Yes. Then your content will become Q, length will become 17. Sir, what about the capacity? Sir, here there is one small formula is there for that. So what is the formula? Your new capacity, whenever it reaches maximum, then new capacity will become old capacity value plus 1 into 2 is nothing but new capacity value. Sir, what is the old capacity here? 16. 16 plus 1 into 2. That means 17 into 2, sir, which will become 34. If you want, you can see here, we are getting the value 34. Have you observed? Like that it is keep on. Sir, now maximum how many characters? 34. Already 17 are there. Still it will accommodate 7. If you are going beyond that 17, what will happen? I mean, beyond that 34. So 34 plus 1, 35. 35 into 2, 70 will be the next capacity. Okay. So if you want, you can see that one also. I will show you. Okay. Now what will happen? Sir, I am going to append. How many characters are there? 17 characters. SB dot. So append of. I am trying to append. So still 17 characters we can accommodate. So this is nothing but a 16 and up to Q again I am appending. Now see what will happen. Sir, 34 characters are there. Now after this, okay, after this, so everything is filled, right? So length is 34. So capacity is also 34. Now I want to add one more character. Okay, I want to add one more character. So SB dot append of are two characters. So then what will happen? So automatically this content will be added at the end. So 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 will become your input. What about the new capacity? So 34 plus 1 into 2, right? So 35 into 2, which will become 70. Now let us cross check really whether it is coming or not. Perfect. Okay, like that the capacity is keep on growing. Okay, I think how the capacity is going to be increased automatically, it is very clear for you, right? But how it is working as a programmer, you should understand, that's all. So anyway, internally it will take care. We are not required to write any manual. Clear, friends? Please confirm. Vishal, I think your doubt got resolved.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, so coming to the methods. So what methods are there? Okay, what methods are there? So of course, we have some special methods are there. Integer length, we already discussed. What this length method is going to do? See, Vishal, Vishal is asking a very good question. See here. Sir, I get the calculations, but if it is keeps growing, if it is keeps going, so why did Java people introduce the capacity? See here, if the capacity is like this, if the capacity is like this, now my string buffer can hold certain data. If it is filled, what will happen? It will create a double of this particular string buffer. So then it will copy all this data here, and this reference will be deleted. Now this one is going to be happen. This is by default eligible for garbage collector. So again this is a field. Now what will happen? Again I am going to create one more string buffer object with big length, and string buffer is pointing to this. This entire reference will be copied here, and we are going to add the content. So this is best choice, because if your requirement is only small amount of data, creating a string buffer object with this much capacity is not recommended, right? So that is the problem. Clear? It will do internally. Yeah, correct. Some people are telling Sagar, it saves memory. Correct. Okay. Not only in string buffer, sir. In all the collections, we have this particular feature. Okay. In all the collections, we have that particular feature. Right. Now, sir, what is this int length? I think no need to talk about this. So it returns number of characters. Number of characters. So number of characters. So present in string buffer. Okay, number of characters present in string buffer. Let me take one example. Let me take one example. Sir, what will happen? String buffer SB is equal to, I am taking ABCD, and you know, if you print SB, We are getting ABCD. What about the length? We are getting 4. Okay, already we covered this. Nothing is there to worry about this. Right, we have ABCD and output is nothing but 4 characters. Like this we have. Right. Next, integer. We have one more method is there with the name capacity. Okay, it returns maximum number of characters it can hold. Maximum number of characters it can hold. Now see what will happen. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. Now I am asking SB dot capacity. Sir, maximum how many characters it can able to hold? 16 characters. Because already I explained about this. Sorry, we have given the string, right? So 4 plus 16, which will become 20. Okay, like that we have. Now, sir, can I increase the capacity after creating the string buffer? Yes, we can do that. For that, we have ensure capacity method is there in your program. If you want to increase a capacity, then you can use this method. Okay, what is the purpose of this? It is used to increase. It is used to increase the capacity of a string buffer object. Okay, during execution of the program. Means what? I have created a string buffer with ABCD. So my string buffer capacity is 20. I want to increase this SB dot. You can use so ensure capacity. Okay, of 50 like this I am taking. Now see what will happen. So is that capacity is increased or not? Previously it was 20. Now it was 50. Like this we have. Right. Similarly, so is it possible to change the length? Yes, you can use set length. If you provide the length, it will remove unwanted, I mean not unwanted, it will trim, sir, it will trim with the given length. Okay, so what it is going to do, it removes. Okay, so it sets the length of a buffer object, string buffer object, and removes extra content. It is going to remove the extra content what we have. Now see what will happen. We have string buffer like this. Now, sir, I want to do SB dot set length. SB dot set length of 2. Now I want to use these functions as it is. Now what will happen? Only 2 characters will be there. Length is 2. There won't be any change in the capacity. Okay, there won't be any change in the capacity. Like this we have. Sir, unnecessary capacity, I have fixed the string. That's all. It is AB. That's all. There is no need to add any characters. My program got fixed. Can I change this capacity to 2? Yes. So for that, we have one more method is there, trim to size method. What it is going to do? So it finalize the given string with the number of characters existed. Okay, let us see what will happen. So here after setting the length like this, we have now SB dot trim to size like this I am taking. So if you take a trim to size, what will be these values? What will be the values of this? So SB will become AB, length will become 2, capacity also will become 2. Like this we have. Okay, this is the way how you can able to work with string buffer. Okay, so I hope these length capacity related methods are clear for you, right? Any doubts? Please confirm. Any doubts, friends? Right, right. So the next one, what we have here is now. Sir, void sorry, character get care at char at like this we have. Just if you provide index value, what it is going to do, it returns character, it returns a character located at the given index value. It is going to return the character located at the given index value. Now let us take abcd. Now I want so character at 0th location. What character is there? A. So character at the first location. So B. So character at the second location. So we have C. So character at the third location. So we have D. Like this we have. Now see what happens. You can able to see we are getting the characters one by one like this. This is nothing but how you can able to return character at given location. Okay. Now can I replace the character? Yes. So set char at method is there. Just you have to take integer index value and then character. So you have to provide. So what it is going to do, sir, it performs replacement operation. A replacement operation, okay, on the given string buffer. So this kind of facility is not there in string, right? You can do it in string buffer. Suppose consider sp is equal to, so new string buffer of, so I have a string is there called welcome. So by mistake, I have taken k here. So if you print, what will happen? We are going to get welcome. I want to perform some modification. What is that modification? sp dot set character at, what character you have to set? K. At which location? Have you observed 0, 1, 2, 3 in third location? That's all. Now see what will happen. Is that character is going to be modified or not? Sir, it is not modified. Why? Here already K is there. You need to replace with C. Sorry, sir. Now you can see. Sir, is the modification happened or? Yes, like this I have. This is nothing but a set character. So now, can I delete the character? Yes, we have delete character at. You need to provide integer index. What it is going to do? So it removes the character. It removes the character located at the given index. Okay. Beyond that, nothing is there. Now see what will happen. So here consider I have welcome is there. So I want to delete this k. What we have to do? So sb dot delete char at of 3. So in third location, what character is there? It will remove. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. This is nothing but so how you can work with the characters. Getting the character located at the given index. So setting the character at that index. So deleting the character at that index. I hope you people got very clear clarity. Clear, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, can't we use any other object other than this string? Yes, you can use any other object. So string buffer, return type is a string buffer. There is one special method is there with the name append. You can insert any object. What it is going to do? It appends. That is nothing but it adds the given object. It adds the given object at the end of string buffer. Okay, like this we have. For example, simple example I am taking. Consider string buffer is equal to an empty string buffer we have. Now my requirement is sb dot append of. Okay, so I am taking something like welcome. Sir, what output we will get? Welcome. Now, sir, I want to append sb dot append of. So I want to take so Python. So including space I want. That's why I will give space here. So what will happen? Welcome followed by space and then Python. Okay. Now sb dot append of. sb dot append of. I want to program it like this. My requirement is there. So let us give space here. So what will happen? space followed by programming. Like this we will get. So append means it will always add at the ending. Any object you can add. Okay. So if I want to insert at a specific position, then we have insert method is there. Just you need to provide index value. You need to provide a index value, and then you have to take the object. So what it is going to do? It inserts. Okay, it inserts the given object. It inserts the given object at the specified location. At the specified location. Okay. Now see what will happen. How it is going to work. Have you observed? Welcome to Python. Like this, I want to add. Sir, what we have to do? SB dot insert of. So location is nothing but I will write later to string. Sir, welcome to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At seventh location, I need to add this. So that what will happen? In the target, we are getting to Python program. Is it correct? No, it is not coming. So here space is required. Now is it coming? Extra space is coming for Python. So extra space is coming here. That means after two space is not required. Like you have to think and you have to adjust. Okay, like this we have. Sir, now welcome to Java and Python. Welcome to Java and Python. Like this I want. Then what we have to do? SB dot insert of. Try to identify the position. So this one is a 7, 8, 9, 10th location. In the 10th location, I want to add. Now you required to write 7. So 8, 9. So 10th location. 10th location. Okay. In the 10th location, I want to use Java, and after that space is not required. I think so. Let me check if it is required. We will add. So after 2, you required a space. That means here. Is it coming? Yes, here I think extra space is there. So after and space is not required. After and which character is there? Python. Where the space issue is coming here. Can I insert at 9th location? No. Mm, So, sir, what we can do? Some extra space we are getting here, right? So here, can I remove this too? Yeah, perfect. Okay, like this we have. This is the way how you can perform which operation? Insert operation. Sir, can I delete? Yes, no problem. So string buffer, you have to use a delete of integer. So starting index you have to provide, and integer ending index you have to provide. Sir, what it is going to do? It removes the characters from starting index to ending index. Starting index to ending index. Like this we have to do. So let me consider one simple example for this. Now see what will happen. Suppose I want to welcome to and Python I want to remove. Sir, what we have to do? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So from 14th location onwards, I want to delete it. SB dot delete of 14, comma. So here it is a 14. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If you give 25, it will wind up to 24. Okay. Now is and Python got removed? Or? Yes, but somewhere we have issue. Okay. So I think you need to take 15th location. Count properly, sir. So then we will get it. And here we need to take 26th. Is it coming? Yes, perfectly. Just count properly. That's all. It will work out. Okay. Like this we have. This is nothing but how you can perform various operations. And last method, so string buffer, you know very well, we have reverse method is there. What it is going to do, it reverse the given string buffers content. Whatever string buffer content is there, if you want to reverse, then it is going to do. For example, if I have A, B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay. So if you print SB, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this we get. If you want reverse, that is H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Then what we have to do? SB dot, we have to take reverse. Like this we have. Okay. Let us see how it is going to work. Have a look once. So we are getting like this. So I think you people got very clear clarity about this reverse function, how it is going to work. Can you please confirm with this all the string buffer related functions are completed? Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Clear up to this? Right. Right. So the next one, what we have next topic. So java dot lang dot string builder. Okay, java dot lang dot string builder. It's a constructors and methods we have to talk. So I can use only one statement. It is exactly same as java dot lang dot string builder. Sorry, string buffer. Okay. So even the methods, constructors, everything are same except the following differences. So what differences we have? First, I will write in string buffer. Parallelly, I will write it in string builder also. So do we have any other special concept is there on this? Let me check. Yeah, here we have that topic. So that's why I will cover this under this topic. Right. Sir, it is exactly same as same thing. Sir, what are the points that we are going to cover here? So if you take a string buffer, what is the first point here is it is introduced in 1.0 version, whereas a string builder, it is introduced in 1.5 version. First difference. Second difference, it is synchronized. Synchronized means what? At a time, only one person is allowed to access. Only one person is allowed to access. Something like, sir, lock. For example, so consider I want to book a ticket, okay, for tomorrow's movie. Okay, sir, what will happen when I am reserving the ticket? I have selected one ticket and the ticket will be freezed. So now once if your payment got confirmed, till that responsibility of that ticket is nothing but by yourself only. Suppose if any payment failure is there, that will be released. Till that it will be in your hand. Have you observed? So in such cases, compulsory you have to go with string buffer related concepts. So because what, only one person is allowed to access. Okay. Whereas a string builder, it is non-synchronized. Sir, non-synchronized means what? Any number of persons can access. Something like results in the database. See, if any university results are released, how many students are allowed to access the results? Only one student? No. In such cases, you can provide. Okay. So that point I am adding here. Only one thread is allowed, because you people are coming from Java, you know very well about this threading concept. So here multiple threads are allowed to access. So next, what will happen? Next one is what will happen. So it is going to provide sequential execution. It is going to provide sequential execution. What about the string build? Sir, it is going to execute parallel execution support will be there. So next, in this case, it increases, okay, it increases application time. Definitely, it is a time-taking process or not, but it decreases application time. Application time is important factor, right? Which one we have to recommend? String builder. Now, so performance is going to be improved by, because see, there are some situations where we need to allow only one thread to allow the access, something like ticket example. In such a cases, performance is there or not? Yes, but here you can't expect more performance. Performance is somewhat low, sir. Performance is not that much good. Okay. Now, next one. So it is a thread safe. Thread safe means what? Safety will be there for every thread. So here it is not a thread safe, because multiple persons are accessing, right? You can't. And this is almost deprecated. Okay. Deprecated. Deprecated means no one they are going to use this. Okay. Or I can say almost outdated. Okay. And it is nothing but current active. Okay. It is not deprecated or not outdated. So except that everything is the same, sir. In the programming, performance is good in the, I'm talking with respect to some situations, Swapnil. Okay, clear. Yeah, yeah, with respect to one, otherwise you can remove that. Okay, now clear, sir. Sir, any doubts about this except that all the things are same, sir? Any doubts up to this, friends? Right. So next topic, what we have, java.util.string tokenizer constructors and methods. So as you can see, it is not available in the lang package. It is not available in the lang package. Means what? So it is an utility method, an utility class. So existed in java.util package. And string tokenizer is used to divide the given string. It is used to divide the given string into tokens. It is used to divide the given string into tokens. Okay, suppose if I have Java is very easy, I want to divide. So what output we are expecting? Java is one token, easy is another token, very is another token, easy is another token. Suppose if I have 19, 12, 2020 or 23, otherwise, so 19, 12, so 2003, something like this. If I have, I want to divide this based on hyphen 19, so 12, 2002, like this we have. Okay. Next, suppose if I have today's time is there, so 9:30. So 9:30, 45 seconds, like that I have. Can I divide this? Yes, no problem. So 09 will become one string, 30 will become another string, 45 will become another string. Like that we have. So how to create a string tokenizer object? So string tokenizer st is equal to new string tokenizer of. So within bracket you have to provide the string, because from the string only we will construct, and then you have to provide delimiter also. So if you are not taking any delimiter, space will be the default delimiter. Okay, delimiter in the sense what separation you require. And we have only three methods are there. One is nothing but so count tokens. What this method is going to do, it returns number of tokens. It returns number of tokens. And so Boolean has more tokens are there. Okay, has more tokens are there. What it is going to do, sir? What it is going to do? It returns true if there is a token. It returns true if it returns true if there is a token. If there is a token, it is going to return. So we have another method is there called string next token. Next token. What it is going to do? It returns so current token. It returns a current token. Okay, and transfer the control to next. Like this we have. Sir, anyway, once if you see the example, then only you people will get clarity. Suppose consider I have string is there. So string s is equal to something like Java is very easy. Same example I am taking. Now string tokenizer st is equal to new string tokenizer of okay, new string tokenizer of yes, like this I'm taking. Now you can ask, array, how many tokens are there? How many tokens are there? St dot count tokens. It will return how many tokens are there. So we have 4 tokens are there. Okay, we have 4 tokens are there. You can see like this we are getting. Now I want to print the tokens one by one, while st dot has more tokens because we don't know how many iterations are there. That's why I am taking while loop. Okay, if there is a token, then I want to return that token. System dot out dot print of st dot next token. It will return the current token and transfer the control to next token. Now see what will happen. Is it going to print all the tokens? Yes, Java is very something like this we are getting. Sir, you didn't imported the package. Have you observed? Already it is imported. This is nothing but what we have. The output for this program is nothing but so Java is very easy. Like this we are getting. So clear about this first program about this tokenization. Please confirm everyone. Clear? Right. Second example. Sir, I have today's date is there. Okay, I have today's date is there. That is nothing but 13/1/2023. Can you please split based on hyphen? Yes, you can give hyphen. How many tokens are there? 3 tokens. One by one, it is going to fetch. Sir, are we getting one by one tokens or yes? This is nothing but what we have another program. How many tokens are there? 3 tokens. First token is 13, 1 and then 2023. Like this we have. Let's go for third example. I will take date. I will take a time. Okay. So 9. Okay. So 9:30:34. Like this I have. So I want to split based on colon. 3 tokens are there. One by one we are going to get. Have you observed? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to divide the given string based on your delimiter. So I think you people got some clarity about this. Can you please confirm any doubts on this string tokenizer concept, sir? Please confirm everyone. Is this string tokenization, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Right, sir. Anyway, so I think time is not sufficient. Okay, we thought that it will be completed in one session, but it takes 2 sessions, but till it is not covered, so we required compulsory another session also. Okay, how the tokens are generated, see, internally it will take care. Suppose if you have like this something like substring, until you get colon, it will take this one as one string. Okay, so until getting next thing up to this, it will take it as another substring. Like that internally it will take. As a end user, we have to enjoy this feature, but internally definitely so many algorithms will be included in this. Clear? uh, Tomorrow maybe not possible. So I'm going to movie tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, second show continuously. So that's why maybe tomorrow is not possible, and moreover festival, right? uh, can we cover streams? Maybe we will see, but not guarantee. So next class probably I will take on next Friday, that is 20th. That will be good. Okay, so 20th we will take Friday, same like this, 7:30 to 9:30, like that I will take. Max we can wind up. So we have regular expressions and only programs. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is there. Regular expression is a matter of 40 minutes class. After that, so another 1.5 hour is required to cover these programs. 1.5 hour to 2 hours. So 2.5 hours if you take, so probably I will take it 7 o'clock, 7 to 9 or 9:30, like that we will wind up. Next Friday, okay. Next Friday, special class will be there as usual on. Okay, so here I am adding that. So first string class we have taken on 7th, right? So 7th we have taken the first string class. So 7th January, so 2023. You can see string part 1 is there, something like Bahubali movie. Okay, so 14th, sorry, not 7th, 7th, 7th only, right? Anyone remember the date? So 13th January 2023. So we have, so string part 2 we have finished, and 20th 20th January 2023. So we are going to finish this string part 3. Okay. So max, not max, compulsory we are going to finish this string on 20th. The timings will be same, 7 to 9:30, like that I will take. Okay. So with that strings will be completed. And our in our regular classes, I think we are talking about double linked list. So maybe one or two methods are there. I will implement that methods on Monday class. So by Tuesday or Monday itself, we will wind up. Not Monday possible, not possible. So Monday and Tuesday we will wind up that linked list concept. Okay, and then we will go with the hash table. Hash table, after that stack queue. Okay, like that. Right, sir. And at last, we are going to wind up with algorithms and then complexities. Okay. Anyone tried these programs? Can you please confirm? No, no, no. We are not going to cover applications because it is taking full time to complete the theory concepts. That's why. So you can try, if anywhere, if you are getting any error or thing, I will clarify. Okay. Have you tried these programs, string programs? At least some programs? Right. Good. So try to practice, sir. Okay. Try to practice. Uh, I'm uploading the running notes. I will check. At least at last, I will try to finish. I will see. Hmm. Yeah. So just now I uploaded strings special class running notes. You can cross check in that a string related concept is there, sir. We are using your logic in project while working in the company, sir. Ayyo, which logic, sir? It is happy to hear such type of words from you people. Yeah, notes is updated, sir. You can cross check. Good, sir. Good, sir. Really happy. So that is called as a knowledge sharing. Okay, right. Good, good. Right, friends. Enjoy your festivals. Okay. So happy Sankranti, happy Pongal for everyone. Enjoy. Okay. So we will meet for the continuation on Monday. Okay. Right, sir. I think first time I'm seeing these many students are there from the beginning to ending. Very good. So whenever you are getting time, try to revise these classes on at least on weekends, because these are improving your logical skills and it will make you think. That's why. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Right. Yeah, Swapnil. Thank you. Yes.